Hello, everybody. Thanks for joining the webinar. My name is Robert Martinez. Um, I've been here at MetaStock for about 6, 7 months now, which is all new to me, and I really love the company, how they treat people, especially employees and customers. So um, yeah, we can get started here. As a disclaimer, read this to you real quick. So this demonstration is designed to instruct you on using MetaStock and accompanying software plugins and is not a recommendation to buy or sell, but rather guidelines to interpreting and using the specific indicators and features within the software. The information, the information, software, and techniques presented today should only be used by investors who are aware of the risk inherent in trading. MetaStock shall have no liability for any investment decisions based on the use of their software, any trading strategies, or any information provided in connection with the company. So they were founded in 1982, which we've been rated the number one technical analysis software for 26 years in a row now, according to Stocks and Commodities magazine, which is as long as I've been alive. So they were purchased by Reuters, now known as Refinitiv, in 1995, and then released their first real-time data feed based on Reuters technology in 2005, which is Zenith, and we'll get into that more at a later time. And they divested from Reuters in 2013, became their own again. Oh, like I said, we're rated number one for 26 years in a row now. And, we're going to go over the power tools today, showing you why we're rated number one. So we'll go over basic charting, how to find the best stocks to trade, when should you get in and out of a trade, how to test your systems before spending your first trading dollar, and then how to add clarity to your trading decisions. Oh, okay. Okay, so this is how it looks when you open MetaStock up, and you can do everything within the Power Console, which to pull that up, when you first start MetaStock, it'll automatically come up, but if it's not up already, then you can click this little P that's in the top left corner, and I have to pull this over.
There's an issue. I'll make it here. I'm just kidding. Just a moment, folks. We're having a little technical issue.
It's good.
I think it's out. Continue.
Okay, and this is designed to work like Windows, so you can drag and drop, double click. But as far as charting goes, we'll pull up the Dow. So to change anything within a chart, you can like double click on the bars to change which charting style you want. So I'm going to go to candlesticks, but you can do candle volume, equivolume, line, point and figure, So I'm going to pull up candlesticks. Okay, and then to add any indicators, there's a pull down list here, which is all in alphabetical order here. And really nice thing about the newest version is that the indicators that you actually use will be defaulted to the top of the list. So for example, the MACD is here, and then the way that I apply that would be by dragging it down and plotting it onto the chart. I'll pull up the customization menu and apply it. So all the drawing tools are here on the left side of your screen, so I could click on any of those and apply them. So I'll apply, a horizontal line. It's all really simple. I could draw trend lines, which I'll be able to do really easily. It'll show me where it'll be before I drop it. Okay, so another one I could do is a moving average, or I guess, and then to edit anything within a chart, you can just click directly on it. So if I want to delete that, I just click on it, and then I can click the delete button. And then if I want to, plot a moving average, be able to do that as well. The ones I like to use are all up here, like I said. I like to use the relative strength index and stochastic oscillator the most. And then if you want it to not be applied onto the chart itself, but into another chart, then you could drag and drop it onto the top of the bar right here, and then it'll create a separate window for you, like this. And there's so many indicators within MetaStock. It's really a huge toolbox to allow you to grow with the software. It's great for beginners, but there's so much to it that as you learn more, there's going to be more for you to do and use, which a lot of new traders don't really know which ones to use, and they out of the 200 don't really know where to start, which is why we have an expert advisor, which will give you expert commentary. So if I apply an expert advisor, which I'll use. What's going on? Hey, I feel like it froze. Yeah, my computer froze.
Okay. Just a second, folks.
So I'll show you guys the expert advisor for candlesticks. I just click that, attach, and then close. And then down here at the bottom right is how you can zoom in. How you can zoom in, as well as move back. You can change the periodicities from really whatever you want. You can go even to a custom to have whatever time frame you need. So I'll stay on daily, and then to attach the expert commentary, expert advisor commentary. Where did it go? Okay. Hey, Jeff.
Right click, view commentary. Right click, right there.
This is what I just did, didn't I? Oh, okay.
It's on the side.
All right, and then so this will tell me exactly what's happening. So a white body occurred because prices closed higher than they opened. During the past 10 bars, there have been 7 white candles and 3 black candles for a net of 4 white candles. During the past 50 bars, there have been 29 white candles and 21 black candles for a net of 8 white candles. A spinning top occurred. A spinning top is a candle with a small real body. Spinning tops identify a session in which there is a little price action as defined by the difference between the open and the close. During a rally or near new highs, a spinning top can be a sign that prices are losing momentum and the bulls may be in trouble. So 3 white candles occurred in the last 3 days. Although these candles were not big enough to create 3 white soldiers, the steady upward pattern is bullish. So, just explains what is happening within the chart. It allows you to kind of educate yourself with any of the expert advisors. And okay, so another one I like to use is the MACD. Okay, there it is. And then again, the expert commentary will be right there on the right, explaining what's happening within the chart. So you can learn more about each indicator very easily, and then find your favorites and what you like to use. And then the one of the biggest things that people have issues, or I guess need, is to find a security with an opportunity today to allow you to ignore the rest, which is why we have a scanner or explorer within MetaStock. So I can use the MACD, and then I can scan it against really anything I wanted. In this case, I'll use the S&P 500. Which is under index constituents. There we go. And then we can change the settings here. I'm going to stay on daily. And then this is the results page, which you can see here it's working on the scan. Then it'll tell me how many are rejected, which right now is at 98.5%. Okay. So these are the ones that that met the buy criteria for the MACD, and um, control. Jeff, how do I open them all again? Open them all at once. I click on the top one, shift, and then scroll it all the way down, and just click open. So I'll be there, and then we can set them up however you wanted. And then, to find the best system for any given security, we have the system tester. And then this is a new feature as well, where you can add any system test to your favorites. And I already created a list here. Use all my favorites, which I can run it against the Dow by simply typing in the symbol BIA. And then here on the right side of this, you can change the settings. You can go from daily to anything you wanted. I'm going to keep it on daily. You could change the trade options, so you can customize how much you're trading, as well as number of units, transaction costs, or percent of available equity, which I like to keep it on that. So we're assuming we have 100,000 to trade with, and then we can start the system test. View results, and then I can sort them by net profit to find which one would give me the best profit right away, and it'll tell me exactly how many trades it took, which ones profited or lost, average profit. So if you're finding that this top performing system just has too many trades for you, and you're not going to watch your computer that often, and you might prefer one that's still really high performing but requires you to trade it less, this might be a good one for you. So I know that the bull power, bear power is the best system for me. And then by double clicking on it, it'll give me the report to give me all the performance statistics. So okay. So there's also the forecaster, which we're not going to get into today. That will give you the probability of what's going to happen next with price movement. We can get into that another time. Now, wow. Hey, so I muted it, but
You're back on.
okay. Okay. So those are the basic power tools within MetaStock. Um, and we have two different versions. We have the end of day version to give you end of day pricing. It'll give you open, high, low, close, volume, and daily charts are longer, and it's only $59, and it gives you everything I just showed you. Which we also have an extended trial, which we like to start customers on. It gives you full 3 months for the price of only one. And then our intraday version that includes Zenith, which we'll get more into, but that's also good for news and fundamentals as well. It's $250 per month, but we would give you 3 full months for only $250 total. And then it comes with unlimited technical support, free upgrades, which we release about every 2 years, and then unlimited access to recorded training, and then white glove installation, which is a awesome service. People love it, and it's a little bit newer. It's a one-on-one session with a support team member to give you make sure everything's up and running, and to give you a walkthrough, allow you to ask any questions you need over the phone. And like I said, we give you the first 3 months for the price of only one. We include the Unleash the Power of MetaStock, which is a $99 value. It's an ebook instead of tutorial videos. So if you guys use this link below, you can get that 3 months for the price of one offer. And then if you have any questions, you can contact me directly with any of these phone numbers, or come into chat and ask for me, or send me an email. That's all my contact information. But yeah, I want to say thank you, and appreciate you guys coming the way. And next one will be a bit better. But yeah, thank you guys for coming.